This is a brand new 2014 Kia Sportage, functional utility for a modern lifestyle. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel controls, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a HomeLink feature, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.